Hey guys, welcome back to Firebase. So today we're going to be talking about a React project actually. It's called Hit Me App and it's basically just a WhatsApp clone built using React routers and Firebase for hosting and Cloud stuff for the backend database. So basically it's the WhatsApp web version actually. So basically just allows you to send messages between random people and allows us to create groups too. I haven't used Redux in this actually, but I've used Firebase Authentication. So yeah, let's just jump into the demo. Okay, yeah, roll the intro. Alright, so this is login screen of Hit Me App actually. So as I've told, I use Firebase Authentication in this app, so that's why I have to build a login screen too. So let's just try signing into the app. So I'll press this button now, and you might have seen that pop up. Just basically the screen which shows the collection of emails using which we can sign into the app. So just wait for it now. Yeah, something's loading, and boom. You get the set of emails in your laptop or your computer. So I'll just choose the first email itself here. That's my Gmail account, and something's loading again, and boom. So you sign into the app actually using your Gmail account or your email account or whatever it is. So basically I haven't used Redux in this app actually. So if you refresh the screen again, it will pop you back into the login screen again. So I'll show that later. So let's just try using this app now. So as you can see, there are 4 groups here. You can actually create groups in this app solely. You can't DM a person actually. So let's just try creating a chat. So let's just try YouTube video. Okay, let's just try YouTube video. Okay, don't mind the spelling. So as you can see, there's an icon here. Actually, I've used some API in this app. I forgot the name actually, but allows us to get some random figurines like this for your group icon. So that's pretty cool actually. So let's just try pressing this, and you can see there are a lot of fields in this here. The name, the group name, the last name, because it's invalidate actually because there are no messages in this group actually. So that's the icon too. Those don't match actually because those are random icons. Let's just try sending a message. So let's just try first message and send. Boom. So that's our first message popped up in green color. So yeah, on the right hand side using similar to WhatsApp itself. So there are my name, the email wala name, right? So the message and the timestamp. Okay, so basically that's the timestamp, and that is basically the timestamp of the last message too. So that's why it pops up in here to last seen Wednesday, 21st July. So let's just try sending one more message. Second message, enter. So boom, 9:33 and 59. So as you can see, that's the last seen date too, last seen time too, 9:33:59 GMT. So that's from Firebase actually, Firebase itself too. So let's just check other groups, and this is the group for app development. This is the group for web development. As you can see, there are other people signing into. Ashna is here, and yeah, in Debbie's channel there's Ben Samsabu, one of my friends actually. So yeah, on the right hand side it's my messages, and on the left hand side the other people, the messages sent by the other people actually. So let's just try refreshing as I have told you earlier. Let's just see if it logs us out, and yeah, here you go. You have reached the login screen itself. So as I told, I haven't used Redux in this app, so basically it doesn't remember that we have logged into the screen. So if you refresh, it pushes us back into the login screen itself. So that's the whole functionality of my app. I think it's pretty cool. So basically let's just dive into the Firebase stuff. So here we go, the Firebase stuff. So as usual, the rooms collection in which we have the groups or the group names, right? So I have selected the blockchain group, and in here we have another collection which is basically the messages collection, and on clicking that we reach the messages collection in which all the messages are stored in a document like manner. So basically all this is message name and the timestamp. So another message here, and Shade Vision by Firebase, whatever it is. So these are the messages in the blockchain group. So that's how the Firebase stuff works here. So let's just that's the whole functionality of my app itself. Let's just try creating a group. But so there are 5 rooms in here. Let's just try creating a group. Let's just set signing again. I'll cut here now. Okay, so we have come to the what Hit Me Up app. So let's just try creating a new group. Hit Me Up Firebase. Okay. Firebase. So let's just try, and where is it? Yeah, here you go. And I think we have to refresh this. Let's just try refreshing. And let's just see if it has come. YouTube video, app development. Yeah, here you go. The Hit Me Up Firebase thing. Let's just try sending a message in here. So let's just select this and hello. Just one message, simple message, hello. So let's just try if it created that. Let's just try refreshing. Even though it is a real-time database, we still have to refresh it. So yeah, there you go, the messages section. And in here we'll have one document. It says hello. Yeah, here you go. So the message is hello. The name is Govind B Chandran, and the timestamp is 21st of July 2021, whatever it is. So that's the whole functionality of my app. So let's just go into the GitHub repository now. So this is the GitHub repository. Here you got the 2 screens, the 2 main screens here. So I used JavaScript, CSS, and HTML of course, and the link is given here. Please do check it out. I'll give it in the description below again. So the build folder, the public folder, screenshot folder, all are set. And yeah, as always, you may try cloning this and use your own Firebase stuff. Don't use mine, it won't work. And yeah, do give it a star if you liked it. And yeah, forget clone, do it on your own and try learning React. And yeah, let me know when you clone this. And yeah, peace out. Thanks.